Hello everyone, my name is Ankit Lawade. Today is 2nd of November 2022 and the topic for the today's video is JWT. So this is my first video in this topic. So the JSON Web Token or JWT, as it is more commonly called, is an open internet standard RFC 7519 for securely transmitting trusted information between parties in a compact way. So the tokens contain claims that are encoded as a JSON object and are digitally signed using a private sector or a public key private key pair. They are self-contained and verifiable as they are digitally signed. So the JWTs can be signed and or encrypted. So the signed tokens verify the integrity of the claims contained in the token, while the encrypted one hides the claim from other parties. So JWTs can also be used for the exchange of information through they more commonly used for authorization, as they offer a lot of advantages over session management using in-memory random tokens. So the biggest of them being the enabling the delegation of authentication logic to a third party server like Auth, etc. JWT token is divided into three parts, namely header, payload, and signature in the format in square bracket header dot square bracket payload dot square bracket signature. Now we will see it one by one. So the first is header. So the header of a JWT token contains the least cryptographic operation that are applied to the JWT, and this can be the signing technique, metadata information about the content type, and so on. So the header is presented as a JSON object which is encoded as a base64 URL. An example of valid JWT header would be in curly braces ALG colon HS256 and TYP colon JWT. So here the ALG gives us information about the type of algorithm used and TYP gives us the type of the information. Then the second is payload. So the payload part of JWT contains the actual data to be transferred using the token, and this part is also known as the claims part of the JWT token. The claims can be of three types: registered, public, and private. So the registered claims are the ones which are recommended but not mandatory claims, such as issuer, subject, audience, and others. Public claims are those that are defined by those using the JWT, and private claims or custom claims are user-defined claims created for the purpose of sharing the information between the concerned parties. The example of payload object, that is in curly braces sub colon 12345, then name colon xyz admin colon false. So the payload object, like the header object, is base 64 URL encoded, as well as this string forms the second part of the JWT. And the last is signature. The signature part of the JWT is used for the verification that the message wasn't changed along the way. If the tokens are signed with private key, it is also verifies that the sender is who it says it is. So it is created using the encoded header, encoded payload, a secret, and the algorithm specified in the header. An example of signature would be HMAC SH256 base 64 URL encoded in parenthesis bracket header plus dot base 64 URL encoded in parenthesis bracket payload comma secret. So this is all about the JWT, that is JSON Web Token. Thank you.